Hi guys, you're welcome to my channel. Today we are going to make oha soup with cocoyam. So I'm going to put all the ingredients used in this recipe on the description box below. So we start with cooking the cow head with stockfish, because stockfish is always very tough and the cow head is also tough, so I like to start cooking them first before I add the rest of the ingredients. So I'll go ahead and add my onion and seasoning cube into the pot. Then I'll start cooking it. This is my salt to test. All the measurement and quantity, all the measurement of this ingredient is in the description box below. So once the cow head and the stockfish has cooked for like 30-40 minutes, I'll go ahead and add my beef. Then I'll continue with the cooking. Right now, both the cow head, the beef and the stockfish have cooked considerably well, so I've gone ahead to add some water and palm oil to cook. So while it is still cooking, I'll go ahead and blend my cocoyam. I've already boiled this cocoyam, so what I'm doing now is to peel off the skin of the cocoyam. Then I'll go ahead and blend it with pepper and some water. So I have my scotch bonnet pepper in the blender already. Then I'm piecing the cocoyam and putting all of them in the blender. Then I'll add this water and go ahead and blend it until it's very smooth. You can use mortar and pestle to pound it if you don't want to use blender, but I don't have mortar and pestle, so I'm using blender. This is it. After blending it, it has turned to a very smooth paste. At this point, it is ready for me to add it. So I first of all add my crayfish into the pot. Then after adding the crayfish, I will go ahead and let it boil for some minutes. Then I'll add the cocoyam. So here is the cocoyam paste. You see, it seems like there is little water in the pot, but by the time I've added the cocoyam and rinse the blender, it will get me enough water for the soup. So this is it. I've rinsed the blender with some water to extract the stock blended cocoyam in it. Right now I've added some seasoning because I tested it. The salt is okay, the seasoning is not, so I adjusted the seasoning and I cooked it for some minutes until the whole cocoyam has melted in the pot and thickened the soup. Then I'll go ahead and add my washed Uziza leaf into the pot. After stirring it, I'm going to get my oha. I've already cut the oha into small size. Then I'll wash it and also add it into the pot. That is it. After turning it, I let it boil for like 1 to 2 minutes. And the oha soup is very ready. At this point, you can add your ogiri if you want. See, you can also use dry fish, add snail, periwinkle, depending on your taste. But this is what I use for this soup. If you have watched up to this point, I really appreciate you. Thank you very much, both my current subscribers and my new subscribers. I wouldn't have been here without you. Thank you very much. And if this is the first time you are coming to this channel, please like this video and subscribe. See you again.